In this video is about our 3-day trip aboard the Carnival cruise, the journey from the port of Long Beach to the charming coastal town of Ensenada. Join us as we capture the excitement of the life on board the Carnival cruise ship and exploring the breathtaking sights awaiting us in Ensenada. Throughout our voyage, we indulge in the amenities from exquisite dining to thrilling onboard activities. We lounged by the poolside, danced the night away at deck parties, movie nights, and savored every moment of relaxation and adventure at sea. But the real highlight of our journey was exploring the enchanting town of Ensenada. We wandered through bustling markets, sampled delicious street food, and marveled at the vibrant culture and natural beauty that surrounded us. So join us as we relive the moment we set sail to the final farewell. For sure, every experience was a cherished memory that will stay with us forever. In this 3-day cruise to Ensenada is perfect for travelers of all ages. Whether you're a couple seeking for a romantic getaway, family looking for fun-filled activities, or solo adventurers ready to explore new horizons. Here are some of the things that we think as pros in going on a 3-day cruise ship. Number 1. Endless entertainment. From live music performances and comedy shows to thrilling water slides and deck parties, there's never a dull moment on board the Carnival cruise ship. Number 2. Exquisite dining. Indulge your taste buds with a wide array of cultural delights, from gourmet burgers to elegant dining experiences, especially at restaurants. Number 3. Exciting shore excursions. Explore the colorful streets of Ensenada, sample authentic Mexican cuisine, or embark on thrilling adventures like zip lining, horseback riding, or ATV tours. Our journey reaches its climax as we arrive at the charming town of Ensenada, known for its lively atmosphere and rich cultural heritage. Our first stop, we ventured right away to La Bufadora, a natural blowhole that shoots water high into the air with each incoming wave. It's a breathtaking sight to behold and a must-visit attraction in Ensenada. After that, we went to the Byron Town Market, where locals and tourists alike gathered to browse an array of goods from handmade crafts to fresh produce. As the sun sets on our final day in Ensenada, we reflect on the unforgettable experiences we've shared and the friendships that we've made along the way. Here are some of the cons that we consider in our trip. Number 1 is the limited time in port. While Ensenada offers a plethora of attractions, the short duration of the stopover may leave some feeling rushed. Number 2. Crowded attractions. Ensenada can get very crowded, especially during peak seasons, so be prepared to navigate through bustling streets. Number 3 is motion sickness. For those prone to seasickness, the open waters of the Pacific may pose challenge, although onboard remedies are readily available. Our journey may be coming to an end, but the memories we've made will last. Thank you for joining us in this incredible trip. And by the way, we also had a very nice camping trip recently at San Luis Obispo. You can check it out by clicking a link somewhere in the video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next one. Peace.